What the world needs right now, and I mean right now more than ever, is salvation. The question remains to be answered: who can save humanity from itself? I have one candidate in mind, a candidate that can challenge all the one-way communication. I'm gonna let the music be my language. Listen. Clash if we all get up and dance like a wise man said it once. Give peace a chance, do the right thing and stop doing all that damage. If you listen when I speak, I guarantee we hit the peak. I'll tell you why. 'Cause music is my language.